Welcome to an introductory tutorial on SPW 4.0. We start by double-clicking the icon of a flowchart, and when I hit the icon, this is what we get. Flowchart is an application where you can build your processing sequences, commonly designated as flows, and has a tabbed interface where you can display simultaneously multiple processing sequences with multiple displays of seismic and maps. On the right hand side, you have your processing steps divided in different processing categories or folders depending on the objective of the processing step. You can, for instance, open the seismic data folder, and here you have the steps corresponding to import and export or data manipulation. You can just, for example, click or double click in an object and automatically it appears in your processing sequence. You can also click once and then click on the processing flow, and the processing step will be headed to your processing sequence. Then you can return using the green arrow or the top row of all the processing steps that you have. In this example, I'm also adding a filter, a simple butterworth filtering in the middle of both seismic files. Below your processing steps, you have a toolbar that allows you to link the objects on your flow or to run the flows that you have. For instance, you need the linker tool to link the object in your processing sequence or your flow. It's the starting point, ending point, and then again the butterworth filter is going to be the input for the output seismic file. Further details on how to run the processing flow are shown in a different tutorial. Regarding the interface, on the bottom part of your screen, you do have a common window where relevant information regarding the processing flow, when it's executing, is going to be shown. On the top part of your interface, you have the menu bar, which is composed by the flowchart, processing, displays, analysis, survey, picking, wells, and help menus. I'm just going to do a brief overview on each of those. A detailed description of each one of the menus is available on different tutorials. In the flowchart menu, you find all the options related with the project. You have tools to analyze seismic and SPS files, to copy and to manipulate these segue files, and also options related with network. The processing menu stores all the options related with creating, saving, and manipulating the flows that you generate. In the display menu, you can display seismic and maps, and the analysis are specific workflows and tools to velocity analysis, MASW analysis, and the refraction tomography. In the survey menu, you have the information related with the geometry database, the base maps, the SPS files, and the picking menu stores all the information, the tools related with the picking of events on the seismic data. And the well menu stores all the options related with VSP manipulation and processing. Finally, the help menu has the help of the flowchart application and the licensing of the software. And that's all on our introductory tutorial on flowchart and SPW 4.0.